Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some really exciting news to share about the future of AI and how it's evolving to actually use computers just like us. So Anthropic, the creators of Claude AI, have been working on something incredible. They've developed a version of Claude that can use a virtual keyboard and a mouse to interact with the software as if it had its own hands. Yes, you heard that right. Before I dive into what this means for the future, let me show you a demo video of how Claude operates. Here's Claude in action.
Claude.ai within my Chrome browser and ask Claude within Claude.ai to create a fun 90s themed personal homepage for itself. Claude opens Chrome, searches for Claude.ai, and then types in a prompt asking the other Claude to create a personal homepage for itself. Claude.ai returns some code, and that gets nicely rendered in an artifact on the right-hand side. That looks great, but I want to make a few changes to the website locally on my own computer. Let's ask Claude to download the file and then open it up in VS Code. Claude clicks the Save to File button, opens up VS Code, and then finds the file within my Downloads folder and opens it up. Perfect. Now that the file is up and running, let's ask Claude to start up a server so that we can actually view the file within our browser. Claude opens up the VS Code terminal and tries to start a server. But it hits an error. We don't actually have Python installed on our machine. But that's all right because Claude realizes this by looking at the terminal output and then tries again with Python 3, which we do have installed on our machine. That works. So now the server's up and running. Now that we have the local server started, we can go manually take a look at the website within the browser. And it looks pretty good, but I noticed that there's actually an error in the terminal output, and we also have this missing file icon at the top here. Let's ask Claude to identify this error and then fix it within the file. Claude visually reads the terminal output and then opens up the Find and Replace tool in VS Code to find the line that's throwing the actual error. In this case, we just ask Claude to get rid of the error entirely, so it will just delete the whole line. Then Claude will save the file and automatically rerun the website. So now that the error is gone, let's go take a final look at our website, and we can see that the file icon has disappeared and the error is gone as well. Perfect. So that's coding with computer use and Claude. This took a few prompts now, but we can imagine in the future that Claude will be able to do tasks like this end to end.
You can see it clicking, typing, and navigating a user interface using its virtual tools. What's mind-blowing is that it's doing all of this based on visual inputs, understanding the pixels on the screen, and knowing where to click just like we do. Of course, this is still in its early stages, but the potential is pretty huge. Okay, so why does this matter? Well, this could totally transform how AI assistants work in the future. Imagine having AI that doesn't just give you answers, but can actually do things on your computer for you. From sending emails to interacting with more complex software like design tools, the possibilities are endless. Another important point is safety. Anthropic has been super cautious, ensuring there are protections in place to prevent abuse, like preventing unauthorized actions or harmful behavior. In the future, we could say this tech being used in industries like customer support, creative fields, or even assisting people with disabilities to use computers more effectively. But of course, there are still challenges, and Anthropic is working on making these systems safe and reliable before it's fully rolled out. So there you have it. AI is becoming more than just a search engine or chatbot. It's learning to use computers just like we do. What do you think about this feature? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech news like this. See you next time.